Shiba Inu price prediction. That's what we're going to cover in this video. We're going to talk about what I think it has the potential to do moving into October, November, and then kind of in the rest of December. That's what we're really going to be discussing here in this video. Also going to be discussing in this price prediction scenario kind of some catalysts that are out there associated with inflation and Federal Reserve, and kind of what do I think is going to impact SHIB as we roll into really the last part of 2022. As always, thanks for your time. I greatly appreciate you. By the way, if you're interested, there's a link in the description below to Freedom 365. This is a new podcast and video series that myself and my buddy Zach Humphreys are starting. Okay, so there's going to be a podcast and a video. We are going to be launching a YouTube channel around this. Freedom 365 comes from the scenario of to me, the real key to freedom and success and happiness in life is being able to control your days. Okay, is be able to have the freedom to do what you want with your days, 365 days a year. Right? That's really what financial freedom means to me. And so, in that, we're talking about all different ways to achieve financial freedom, all different types of entrepreneurial programs and things of that nature. Talking to you about the success and failures I've had and Zach's had and all this kind of stuff. We're going to have guests, a lot of different things, all different really cool stuff. So check that out. Links in the description below. Give this page a follow right now. We haven't launched this yet, but give it a follow and then you can be kept up to date. Okay, so SHIB is up 4.5%+ as of the recording of this video. Depending upon when you're watching it, that's where we're at. So from a price prediction standpoint, for me, it's a really simple scenario. Okay, we've got kind of the 7-day chart. We're looking at this. We had a nice little pump here, but overall, nice consolidation pattern. And if you look at what SHIB does, there looks like there's a lot of volatility here. There's actually really not. Okay, so if you look at kind of the peaks, we got a peak of 1.3 all the way down into kind of the lows of, say, 1.0. Now, that's what it's been doing for the last month. Now, it is starting to kind of move back up a little bit. You can see that we're getting back now just a little bit up. So from a price prediction standpoint, number one, I think that we have a very, very solid chance of getting back to, say, 1.2 easily, probably in maybe in the next couple of weeks. We've got really no major bad catalyst out there right now associated with Shiba Inu or the overall market. We are going to get a CPI, a Consumer Price Index inflation report, probably around the second week of October. And then we're going to get the Federal Reserve is not going to meet in October. They're going to meet in November. So we got really one kind of bad catalyst, if you will, out there. Well, there's a few others. There's the producers index and things like that. But really, it's the CPI that everybody pays attention to that does impact crypto and stocks. Okay, but net, that's kind of the big bad thing out there. So I think that we've got a legitimate opportunity for SHIB and the overall market to move up. So 1.2. Maybe even a 1.5 here, like a 1.5 range is possible before we get that report, that CPI report. Okay, so that CPI report has the potential to kind of knock us back a little bit. So because I think inflation's still going to be high. It's still going to be, those kind of things. We've talked about inflation a lot here on my channel. All right, now by the end of the year, I think we do have a possibility. We have a possibility of getting into the 2 range right here. See, this is a 1.1. We have a possibility of getting back into the 2 range if we can get some positive momentum leading into, November, late October, November. Okay. So now we do have a Federal Reserve meeting in the first week of November. Know that that's out there. Okay. But historically, fourth quarter's been decent for crypto. Now, 2022 has been an unprecedented year. This has been one of those years that's just been it's toast because of all the inflation and all that kind of stuff. But that's what I got for you as far as price prediction, kind of a short term and then a moving into the remainder of 2022, the last part of it. All right, I'll see you. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.